first look at this next gen engineering Tremaniac Racing CNC ported LS3 heads. Well, they're actually 823 heads, but we've got all the options with these heads. So we got the re-tipped valves, we got brand new valves installed, and we've got CNC chamber. Yeah, these are very nice. In for the results tomorrow. The old silicon rocker cover gaskets.
This is shit.
Yeah, very lovely. Someone should uppercut themselves. Put the first side rocker cover back onto these freshly CNC'd cylinder heads by Tremaniac Racing. You can see that there's oils coming out of this oil baffle here in the rocker cover gasket. So yeah, they definitely help the oil get to the intake manifold. So get an oil catch can, everyone. Like, this is it. Like,
yep,
oil will make its way all the way up here and just sit in there, get sucked up by the intake manifold. Got a bit of like hair on that fucking. Yeah, get that off. You don't want that in there. It's a bit more. I think that's it. Yuck. Oh, yuck. Yuck, that is unacceptable.
This is the thing of having dogs come. The more you look.
Spray some shit on that now. Go spray some.
I'm fucking sticking this on. Straight on.
Second rocker cover going on for the CNC head engine.
A little bit of fucking dog hair, but I'm gonna deal with it because I don't want this gasket to fall out. Somewhere there. These two. They fucking still don't know.
Jim trying to put on the first header. And we're about to put the intake manifold back on as well. LS3 intake manifold is on. Look at how nice those heads look. Also installing a brand new 160 Fahrenheit thermostat by Aeroflow.
I like it.
So it's also comes out to be 71 degrees Celsius. In it goes. Bolts. Right here. Engine is all dressed up. We're about to start it up for the first time.